Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you that how we can make a drone animation, that how the drone moving from one part to another, and also how it drops packages. So for this I have downloaded a few pictures from internet. You can download it from Prefake or any other website, or you can easily download it any PNG for picture from internet. Okay, so let's insert the picture in this slide. So I will go to insert, then picture from this device. Okay, so all these three pictures that I downloaded from PowerPoint from Google. So I will insert all these three pictures. Okay, so this one is our background. This is our drone, little bit smaller, and this is our drop down. So this is the drop of PUBG game. Sorry, it's just a drop. You can download any shapes or any design. Okay, so first of all I will make it a little bit smaller. I think this one is fine. I will just take it out of the screen. I will select animation. Then I will just go up here, and I don't need any animation up here, so I will just go to the lane animation, and I will just select and extend these animations up to here. Okay, I will just double click on this animation setting. I will make it to 0 to 0. Then I will just make animation timing up to 9 seconds, and I will select OK. Now I just click it, play from. Now you can see it that the drone is coming from this side to this side. So I will just make the drone a little bit smaller. I think this is enough. Okay, now I will take the one drop from here, so that the one drop will start drop down from this to here. Okay, so I will just select animation up here, and then I will just go for the animation and line animation, so that this drop down should come here. Also I wanted this when the drop is when this package is dropping, so it will move a little bit backward. So I will make it size smaller with time. I will go for shrinking its size, and I will decrease its size up to 50%. Okay, so now let's see. Start with previous. I think 2 seconds will be fine. 1 second. Now you see it. But as you see that the drop appears before the drone coming. So I will adjust the timing, and it should come up to here. Okay, so we will adjust the timing at the end of the PowerPoint. So I will select that the next drop, the next package should come here, should drop at this point. Okay, but this time I don't want to that its size should not shrink. I will just take another copy and will place it here, and this time I want it, this time the drop should come to this home. Okay, so now I will adjust its timing. So I adjust the timing of the first drop to 2.25, so that it should start after 2.25 seconds. And the same for the drop 3. I adjust the timing from to 4.5, so that I adjust this timing so that at 4.5 seconds this drone comes up to here. So when this drone come up to here, so it will appear and start dropping. And for the third, I adjust the timing 6.75. Let's see that how it's look now. Okay. Now you see that this drone come, and the one and each box is appear and coming down with parachute. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much.